Greetings to everyone. I am Shravani Srija, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science, St. Joseph College for Women. In the previous session, we talked about types of poultry, its composition, and nutritive value. In this session, we will cover how to select a high quality poultry, grading standards for poultry. Let's begin by understanding how to select the best poultry. Selection of poultry. Quality indicators. Skin color. The skin color should be fresh, smooth, and moist without dryness or discoloration. Firmness and texture. The flesh should feel firm and resilient when touched, not too soft or sticky. A slimy texture is a sign of spoilage. Absence of bruise or cuts. Avoid poultry with bruises, cuts, or excessive blood spots as these may indicate poor handling or contamination. Grading of poultry. Grading helps classify poultry based on its quality. Grade A. This is the highest poultry quality with no defects, bruises, or missing parts. It is sold as whole birds or cuts in supermarkets. Grade B and C. These have slight defects and are often used for processed products like canned chicken, nuggets, or ground poultry. Storage of poultry. Fresh poultry store in the refrigerator at 4 degrees and consume within 2 days. Frozen poultry store at -18 degrees Celsius for up to 6 months. Freezing preserves the quality but may slightly change the texture. Cooked poultry should be refrigerated within 2 hours after cooking to prevent bacterial contamination. Signs of spoiled poultry. Off smell. A strong unpleasant odor indicates bacterial growth. Slimy texture. A sticky or a slippery surface suggests bacterial activity. Discoloration. Gray or greenish tints are sign of spoilage. Fresh poultry should be pinkish in color. Packaging integrity. If the packaging is swollen, leaking, or has air pockets, it may indicate bacterial contamination. Methods of cooking poultry. Dry heat methods, moist heat method, combination method, and other methods. Moist heat cooking methods. Boiling and simmering. Boiling is great for soups and stews. Simmering is slower, ideal for curries and slow cooked dishes. Stewing. Steaming. Gentle cooking method using steam preserving moisture. Suitable for whole birds or small cuts. Poaching. Cooking poultry is gentle simmering liquid, not boiling. Best for delicate cuts like chicken breasts to keep them soft and tender. Dry heat cooking methods. Roasting and baking. Uses dry heat in an oven. Best for whole poultry. Cooking temperature is approximately 175 to 200 degrees Celsius for even cooking. Grilling and barbecuing. Direct heat cooking on a grill or a barbecue. Suitable for smaller cuts like breasts, wings, and thighs. Add a smoky flavor due to caramelization. Frying. Shallow frying, deep frying, and stir frying. Sauteing and pan frying. Quick cooking in a small amount of oil. Ideal for boneless poultry cuts such as fillets or strips. Combination and other cooking methods. Braising. Poultry is browned first, then slow cooked in liquid. Works well for together tougher cuts like thighs and legs. Microwave poultry. Quick method that retains moisture, needs proper temperature control to prevent overcooking and drying. Effects of poultry cooking. Texture. Proper cooking keeps it tender while overcooking makes it dry. Flavor. Cooking methods and seasonings enhance the taste. Nutrient loss. High temperatures may reduce water soluble vitamins like vitamin B and C. Food safety in poultry cooking. Cooking poultry to 75 degrees Celsius in internal temperature to kill bacteria. Avoid cross contamination. Use separate cutting boards for raw and cooked poultry. Wash hands properly after handling raw poultry to prevent bacterial transfer. Today we covered poultry selection, grading, storage, cooking methods, and food safety. Understanding these aspects ensure better quality, taste, and safety while cooking poultry. With this, we conclude our discussion on poultry, its types, composition, nutritive value, selection, and methods of cooking. Thank you. Have a nice day.